Does bloating and acidity affect your self-confidence? हाँ ना? Hello everyone, welcome back to It's All About Journey. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 reasons of acidity and bloating and also some ways to cure them. Before starting discussions about the reasons of it happening, let's understand what actually bloating is. ब्लोटिंग का मतलब होता है जब आपके स्टमक में गैस एक्यूमुलेट हो जाती है और उसकी वजह से आपका पेट फूल जाता है। इसके काफी सारे रीजन हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि आपने बहुत ज्यादा खाना खाया हो, नहीं तो आपने बहुत ज्यादा फीजी ड्रिंक्स पी लिए हो। काफी बार गैस फॉर्मिंग फूड खाने के बाद हमको इनडाइजेशन इश्यूज भी होते हैं और उसकी वजह से हमारा पेट अनकंफर्टेबल और टाइट फील होता है। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट एसिडिटी, जब आपके स्टमक में एक्स्ट्रा एसिड फॉर्मेशन होता है उसके बाद आपके चेस्ट में हार्ट बर्न सेंसेशंस होते हैं। ये चीज होती है ज्यादा स्पाइसी या ऑयली फूड खाने से, या नहीं तो फिर आपके बॉडी का एसिड बैलेंस डिस्टर्ब होने से। Some common problems of acidity and bloatings are overeating, gastric distensions, and lactose and fructose intolerance. Apart from these, there are few main reasons, and now let's talk about these. First one is fiber. In most of the common cases, common cause of stomach bloating is diet. Inadequate intake of fiber and water will lead you to stomach bloating and also sometimes indigestion. अब ये फाइबर्स होते कौन से और ये कौन से खाने में से मिलते हैं? द मोस्ट कॉमन सोर्सेज ऑफ फाइबर्स आर फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, वीट्स और ओट ब्रान। सो ये सारे फाइबर सोर्सेस आपको आपके न्यूट्रिशन प्लान में ऐड करना बहुत जरूरी है अगर आपको ब्लोटिंग से दूर रहना है। Second one is boiled gas. Gas in the gastrointestinal tract has only two sources. It's either swallowed air or it's produced by the bacteria and that normally inhabited the intestines, primarily the colon. Belching or burping is a universal ability that works by removing gas from your stomach through the mouth. The stomach can become bloated when too much air is swallowed during eating or drinking too quickly. As the stomach swells, belching removes the gas and alleviates the pain associated with it. Burping can also be used as a form of relief from abdominal discomfort other than too much gas in the stomach. Also, the bacteria present in the intestinal tract cause gas is that expel from the anus. They produces the gas as food is digested and moved from the small intestine. This gas builds up and causes swelling or bloating in the abdominal area before it is released. Third one is constipation. The common gastrointestinal problem is constipation. Infrequent bowel movement, hard stools or strain during the movements which causes serious cause of bloating. Since most of the causes of constipation are temporary, simple lifestyle changes such as getting more exercise and increasing one's intake of fiber can contribute to alleviating constipation. Bloating consistently accompanies constipation and they will not develop without any underlying cause. Fourth one is heartburn and acid reflux. Painful burning sensation in the chest are caused by gastroesophageal reflux. It is known as heartburn. Reflux is the backflow of gastric acid juices from the stomach into the esophagus. Heartburn has different triggers including certain foods, medications, obesity and stress. These triggers can be different for each individual. Treatment options are available to treat the symptoms and the condition, but there are no exact cure for this disease. Heavy meals, lying down or bending over after eating should be avoided to help prevent reflux from occurring. The stomach bloating experienced with reflux is intense and it will remain until the food is digested all the way. Fifth one is menstruation. Bloating before and during periods may result from changes in levels of sex hormones, progesterone and estrogen. About a week before woman's period starts, level of hormone progesterones fall. Reduced level of progesterone cause the uterus to shed its lining, which is what cause menstrual bleeding. इन दोनों इश्यूज से बचने के लिए बैलेंस डाइट मेंटेन करना इंपॉर्टेंट है। स्पाइसी और ऑयली फूड्स कम खाए, फिजी ड्रिंक से दूर रहे और खाने के बाद थोड़ा वॉक करना भी डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है। अगर प्रॉब्लम परसिस्ट करती है तो डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना मत भूलिए। तो ब्लोटिंग एंड एसिडिटी के प्रॉब्लम को आप बहुत छोटा कंसिडर मत करना, इससे बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स भी हो सकते हैं। तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको ब्लोटिंग एंड एसिडिटी हो रही है तो जो कुछ स्टेप्स मैंने वीडियो में बताए उनको जरूर फॉलो करना। Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are facing bloating or acidity problems, and also hit the like button and subscribe button below.